Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on the channel, we've been talking about Google's crackdown on Manifest V2 extensions, which will include uBlock Origin, which is a popular ad blocker and content blocker. And just a quick recap, affected V2 extensions, including uBlock Origin, will eventually be disabled. And you will no longer be able to install it from the Chrome Web Store. That's according to Google. Now, as I posted in a video a couple of days ago, now over on its support website, Google has stated you can only re-enable an extension for a limited period of time after it has been disabled, and they recommend you find an alternative extension before it's permanently disabled. So yeah, we can see already in Chrome to some extent or the other that's happening. I have posted quite a lot of content on this topic, so I'm not going to kind of go over everything once again. Go do a search if you want more info, or check that previous video out. Now, in regards to the so-called browser wars we talk about on this channel, Brave now has reminded users over on X that you will still be able to use uBlock Origin and V2 extensions in the browser, unlike Chrome, where those will be ending. There's a good chance by the end of the year in Chrome, V2 extensions will be no more. Now, I have seen a couple of comments on the channel regarding this, and that Brave will still work with uBlock Origin. And I've also said on the channel over numerous times and on numerous times that the ad blocker that's built into Brave is probably one of the best I've seen in a browser, and that's on mobile and desktop. And in the ongoing browser wars, Brave has had this to say over on X, and I'm quoting, "Hope you'll give us a shot. Our browser has built-in ad and tracker blocking and still supports uBlock Origin as well." So that's just to answer a question I've seen numerously in the comments on many occasions. Will Brave still work? Will it support uBlock Origin? Will it be able to block ads and so on? Yes, it will. Now, if you are going for a non-Chromium choice, then obviously you can have a look at Firefox, which is not based on Chromium, but is based on Gecko, which will also continue to work with uBlock Origin and V2 extensions, because I posted a video back in June that Google is disabling Manifest V2 extensions, but ad blockers will still work in Mozilla Firefox, and that video will be linked down below and in the end screen if you'd like more information. So just putting it out there. There are one or two alternatives. If you want to kind of call it a day with Chrome, you can use Firefox, which will still support ad blockers after V2, and Brave will also support ad blockers after V2 and has a very good built-in ad blocker called Brave Shields. And that was just, as mentioned, that was just Brave reminding users that unlike Chrome, it will continue to work with uBlock Origin and V2 extensions. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.